So we are going to go out in this weather. The weather is just so crazy today. So I don't know. But yeah, anyway, we're going out. Kanta sa tanong kay di pa ready akong kabit. But I hope you see my worth. There's only you and I love you first. And for you, girl, I do the worst. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's go. Come. Pasan ang yuk bisag asaw eh. The sky is clearing up. And look at the sky. Oh my god, this is Denmark. There's a windmill in there. Oh, I cannot hardly see it. Yeah. And yeah, listen,
Cut up?
It's there! I want to see. Oh, that's so cool. We are just passing by to this one. I love these ones. This one looks really old, baby.
Yeah, de bliver ikke brugt mere. Nej.
Like the corns, they need to dry them first or something.
Yeah.
Look, that one is connected to this one. You can see there's a bridge in there or something. It's so cool. Nanamis lasang no lasang. Oh yeah. The castle is just right there. Ah, so this is the entrance. Like
The
parking. Or can you even go in there? Oh, there is the castle.
Yeah.
But
I don't know where we park.
maybe they're inside there.
No, it says ingen adgang here.
Oh shit.
You don't drive in there.
Maybe this is private. Dara ang kastilyong buhangin, no? Dara sulod. Gwapar kay siya, uy. Mangita ta sa entrance pa ingon sa garden. Kini siya nga castle, dili siya open ang castle mismo. Ang iyaharang garden ang open. Ganina ra mi galibot-libot, no, kay nangita mi ani. Unya kusog ang ulan, oy, nag-ulan eh, ni hunong nag-ulan na pod.
Oy, did you see the water spring?
Bakit?
Mama Nano.
Wow. Actually. That is from the lake. Oh. So this is the entrance for the garden. And the castle, I think, is far away from here. Didn't we drive far? Where? It's still far.
Should we bring our fishing pole?
Yeah, there's actually a lot of fish, baby.
Really?
Yeah.
How can you say that?
Because I go down there in that oh.
Did you see them?
Yeah, but it's like all small. Let's see. It feels like it's like. Don't you remember that maze we go when we go to that other castle in Finn?
But it's nice though. You have like a square here. You can sit
Yeah.
there, and you can have other people sitting in another square. You can have private even.
Yeah.
Right?
Mhm. Lavender. Yeah, I think so. Hey, really? Dagko rin kahoy diri eh. There it is. So we are here. Somebody's actually living in this one, so it is a private area. But we can come here, up to here, and we're going to buy some honey. They have honey. Wow, they have a lot of like sunflowers, baby, inside. People can come to their garden and just walk around. But they have. Hmm? So this is the store again without.
You take one, that one, that.
Yeah.
You take one of each.
Somebody, they are selling honey, and it's like one glass for 40, and then 410, and then you will just going to pay in this number. That's where we were the first time. There's a small cannon there.
So Namingwit, Pantat. Look, baby.
So we are here already. After we saw that castle, and now we are here. It's just us fishing. Woohoo! It's sunny, but it's very cloudy, and it's thundering. Yeah. Using. Oh. We don't want that fish. Pangit that one. I got 4 big ones. Got 4. 4 big ones. Hello there. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Oh my god. I might escape. After 30 minutes of trying, I got 4. Woohoo! Let me just take it away from the. Oh my god. I got so excited, I was running. Look at the sky. Whoosh. Oof. Wala na siya dito. So, na-deads na siya, no? So we are in the port waiting for the boat, the ferry, to come back from the other side. Look, we are still waiting for the ferry, and there's a rainbow in the sky. It was clear before, but now it's kind of, the clouds are actually covering it, so it's almost gone.
Hej! Mange tak for det. Ja.
Yoo-hoo! The rainbow is there, I can see. See, dako siya. Mo ni siyang papa, mo ning mama, mo ning iyang twins. Manan ako siya glimpyo, no? By the way, nakabot na sa balay, no? So, ugma na siguro na ako siya lutuon. Anyway, this is it for today. Okay, bye.